Gonna be a Bitcoin update right now. It's on a 4-hour time frame. I still think that we're gonna eventually go up. Right now, we're at the level to where we hopefully could retrace and pull back about 38-50%. That'd be really nice and healthy. I don't like the fact that it stopped here. If we just kind of extend this, I don't like the fact that we came down here, came up, came down, and now we're coming up and we broke this level. I don't like that for my thought process for it to come down. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame. You can see this is a little bit better to where it's doing this number. And so what this is doing, and if we go to a smaller time frame, well, the 1 hour, what it's doing, it's creating a lot of liquidity. And I just posted this in the VIP group, in addition to the free Discord. If you want to be in the free Telegram, the free portion, just let me know, trade_intuition. But we also have Discord as well. Now, as far as the Discord goes, I can't make all the videos that I make for the Telegram because Discord, it restricts me because I got to pay, and I don't want to pay for Discord. I don't like it. Anyway, so my thought process is right now we have a lot of liquidity being built up, I'd say about right here. And this is for people, and we'll make this one red. And this is for people who are trying to get the top so that to short it. So what they're doing is they're putting their stops about here. It comes up again, comes down. Oh, there's a range. Let's, short it. They put their stops up there, comes down, comes up again. Let's short it. They put their stops here, comes up again. Let's short it. So what they're doing is they're putting their stops right here. Now, on the flip side, we have people who are longing. It comes down here. Oh, the bottom of the range. We're going to continue going. Let's enter the trade. Let's put our stops here. It comes down. Oh, it's bouncing again. Bottom of the range. And they're trading on the 3-minute time frame or what have you. Let's put our stops here. And then continues doing this. So what it's doing is building all of this liquidity up. So it could go either way. Now, what I think might happen, and of course I can be completely wrong, but what I think might happen is from here, we might go up, and I posted this several minutes ago. This was, of course, on my VIP group first, always, and then the free portion. And I'm thinking from here, we might come up, get this liquidity from all these people who are going short. And going short, in my opinion, is really nice because, again, if we look at this idea right here of it rolling over to at least 38-50% on the bigger time frame, it's doable. It's very doable. But because I saw this and I saw this, right now I just posted in my VIP group that I canceled. I was in 3 shorts. I closed out my shorts, and I don't like how Bitcoin's reacting. And because of this, it's starting to come up. It is more than likely going to take the alts with it. So instead of being in a negative and having the chance of my stops getting hit at a negative, I just closed them all out in small profits, 6%. I think one was at 12%, something really small percentages. However, I can always shoot for the shorts again, because I do think that we're going to come down. It would be healthy. It would be really healthy if it comes down 38-50%, about 89.7, 89, and then come up, because I do think that eventually we're going to make it our way up here to this blue line around 98.3. And then, ups and downs, not straight up. Then our next level, right around 104.5. And again, these are our major levels. And again, we're going to have ups and downs. Now, the thing that we do not want to see, we do not want to see the breaks of the lows. So every time we come up, we come down, we come up, we don't want to break the low, because what we're doing is we're building that momentum. As soon as we break a low, the momentum just completely stops, and it could continue the other way unless we get more buyers coming in and it coming up. So again, I want to see ups and downs. I just don't want to see the breaks of the lows. And I want to see it come all the way up here, come up, down, down, up, down. And it may break a lower too, like say this low, it's fine, but we don't want to break this low. This is internal structure. This is external structure, and the easiest way to do this is just kind of zooming out. And Like for the bigger external structure, well, then it's this, because this is the lowest point, and all this is the noise inside it. Now let's go back, and that's one thing that I hate is I'm always teaching. Here we did come up to this area where I thought we might come to. Again, I don't know what's going to happen. Sometimes I'll draw these out and they are to perfection. And sometimes I draw them out and it's completely wrong. Now my plan A is to where we come up, get these liquidations, then we come down and we get these liquidations. The market makers are very greedy. And once we get these liquidations, for it to come down to our 38%, 50% that we talked about just a little bit ago, which is roughly around 87.5, 87.6 to 86. So I believe that is, or maybe this is a little bit adjusted due to the high here. But if we're looking at here, we're looking at 89.7, which is about the same, but we just haven't accounted for the new highs. But for this to be accurate, what we have to do is we have to now get this and make it go to the highest point so that our retracement now for 38%, we're looking at 90,000. And for the 0.5%, we're looking at 89.3. So this is what we're looking for now as far as the retracement, because we made another pivot if it comes down. If it continues going up, well, then we keep on dragging this up and then our numbers will change. But this is my thought process when it comes to potential price movement. And same thing like with Solana. Solana, this is my thought process. I posted this in the VIP group. One of the, well, not even a member. Somebody just asked me. It's one of my friends. They asked me. And here's the thing, guys. I'm not in, I don't have a trading group so I can get rich off of everybody. I have a trading group to where if you want updates, important updates, well, then you join the group and, you get these updates whenever they're needed versus waiting for a YouTube video or waiting for my 9 o'clock streams to come out and then you asking the questions. Here, it's pretty much when I see that it needs to be updated, well, then I just let people know. Well, in the VIP. For the Discord, I try my best. But for the VIPs, I mean, they that's what they get. They get when it happens. But here, somebody had asked me in the DMs in reference to Solana, and price was here. I'm thinking, come down, come up, come down, and then potentially come up. But I think, we're going to come all the way down here to our bounce zone, which is a really nice zone, before coming up. And I posted this in both the VIP and also the Discord as well. And if you're interested in the Discord or the free portion of the Telegram, send me a message. The Discord, it is in the link tree. It's in the link description. And of course, you can just enter that way. For the Telegram, I love Telegram. You get more stuff in Telegram, especially in the free group. Like you get more stuff than Discord, just because I'm able to post more. But just reach out to me. But here, I'm thinking come down to about this level. Sure enough, we came down to about this level. Come up. Sure enough, we're coming up. Now, let's see what happens. Does it come down to go up because now Bitcoin's moving? Or does it continue to the downside and then come up? So the reason the reason I was thinking this at the time, to where we're going to come down and then come up, was because originally I'm thinking here we're going to break the level, come down, and then come up. Now, if we come up and we take out this liquidity, which we just did, and we gain support here and we break through this area of liquidity, then to me, this is not healthy. Because what we're doing, we went up, pulled back, nice. Went up, pulled back, nice. Went up, pulled back, okay, nice. Went up, kind of going sideways. And if we continue going up and then sideways, continue going up and then pull back, well, now the retrace is going to be deeper than something like this. And then because it pulls back so deep, we have the potential of when it bounces not bouncing to the full potential, and then now starting to break the lows that it just created. That's all I got, guys. I do thank you very much. Make sure to tune in every single day. We go live at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. We do bonus streams from time to time, and I show you my thought process and why I'm thinking what I'm thinking. Once again, I'm not here to sell you a group. I'm here to hopefully help you learn how to trade. And then guess what? If you make money, well, then now the odds of you joining my VIP group has just increased. It's all about probabilities. And I would rather get rich with you than because of you. So for that reason, what I do is free. I show you all this stuff. So make sure to ask questions. Make sure to ask questions about trading, about different techniques, why I think, what I'm thinking. Ask me all those questions. All right, so all I got. I do thank you guys very much. We'll see you tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. Until then, as always, let's make this money. And also, market makers, let's see if we can make it bounce.
Market makers be sneaky like a mouse, while traders looking for that bounce. Market makers make it bounce.